Does a modern, low-fee investing app mean sacrificing good customer service? That's the question a lot of people ask when they consider a platform like Wealthsimple. You see the zero-commission trades, the sleek app, and the low management fees, but in the back of your mind, you're thinking, if something goes wrong, can I actually talk to a human? It's a valid concern, and the simple truth is that the Wealthsimple customer experience is different from a traditional bank, and what you get largely depends on how much you have invested. Here is a quick breakdown of what to expect when you need help. First, let's talk about the primary contact method for most users, the help center and live chat. Wealthsimple's first line of defense is its comprehensive online help center. For simple questions about how to open an account, deposit money, or understand a fee, this is usually your fastest and most reliable option. If you need to talk to a person, your best bet is often the live chat feature within the app or on the website. This is where you can connect with a support agent for real-time help. However, you might have to navigate a virtual assistant or a bot first to get to a human. A useful trick, often shared by users, is to type a phrase like "speak to an agent" to bypass some of the automated questions. Now, for a more complex issue, let's look at phone and email support. If you're a core client, which is most of us who are just starting out, you can call the support number, but be prepared for a wait. Similarly, email response times can vary depending on the current volume. This is the trade-off you make for zero-commission trading and no minimum account balances. The game changer is your client status. Wealthsimple has tiers based on your total assets, core, premium, and generation. Once you cross the threshold into premium status, which is typically for clients with a significant amount of assets, the customer experience shifts dramatically. Premium and generation clients get two major benefits: priority email and priority phone support. This means your emails jump to the front of the queue, and when you call, you are connected faster, often to a specialized agent who is better equipped to handle more complex financial and tax-related questions. If you are an experienced investor with a large, diversified portfolio, this priority access can make a huge difference, making the experience feel much closer to a traditional full-service brokerage. So, here's the summary of what to expect. If you are a core client, expect a digital-first support experience. You will rely heavily on the help center and the chat feature, and you might experience longer wait times for phone support. If you are a premium or generation client, you get the royal treatment. You'll have faster access to human experts over email and phone, which is a major perk for managing a large portfolio. Ultimately, Wealthsimple's customer service model is designed to be efficient for its low-cost structure. The best experience is found when using their self-service tools first, or by reaching a higher client status. Know your tier, know your contact options, and you'll know what to expect. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.